The rain hasn't stopped for hours, but there it is, cutting through the fog like a seasoned explorer with nothing left to prove. The 2026 Nissan Terra. You don't just see it, you feel its presence. And as it rolls into frame, you know immediately that this SUV isn't here to blend in, it's here to dominate whatever stands in its way. From the moment you walk up to it, the Terra hits you with a redesigned front fascia that feels sharp, confident, and unmistakably modern. The LED signature lighting glows like a pair of focused eyes, and the sculpted bodywork gives it a sense of motion, even while parked. It's rugged, but clean, muscular, but refined, as if Nissan finally found the perfect balance between utility and sophistication. Opening the door feels like stepping into a space intentionally built for long journeys. The cabin has been elevated soft-touch materials, a beefier steering wheel, and a panoramic display layout that instantly makes the SUV feel more premium than ever. The seats wrap around you with just the right firmness. And the second row gets better legroom, while the third row is now far more usable for adults. Ambient lighting, quieter insulation, and a smarter center console all make the interior feel like an upgrade that's actually meaningful. But the real shift happens once you fire it up. The 2026 Terra comes alive with a refined 2.5-liter engine paired with a smoother, more responsive transmission. Acceleration feels more confident, especially when merging or overtaking, and the torque delivery is noticeably cleaner. It's not trying to be a sports SUV yet. It has enough punch to make every drive feel purposeful. Fuel efficiency sees a bump thanks to updated engine tuning, offering better mileage on long trips without sacrificing capability. On the road, the Terra feels planted. The steering is more direct, body roll is better controlled, and the suspension absorbs rough terrain without numbing the feedback. Off-road, the improved traction management system works quietly in the background, adding grip exactly when you need it. It's the kind of SUV that makes difficult roads feel like familiar territory. Technology takes another leap this year. The larger touchscreen, wireless connectivity, enhanced 360-degree camera, and smarter safety features all blend seamlessly into the experience. Nothing feels like an afterthought, depending on the market. The 2026 Terra comes in at a price that keeps it competitive positioned for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants capability without compromising comfort. Key highlights include the refined powertrain, upgraded interior, improved ride quality, and the kind of practicality that keeps the Terra one of the most dependable SUVs in its class. And as the camera pulls away from the headlights, carving through the night, the Terra reminds you why vehicles like this still matter. Because some roads deserve a machine built with intention. Stick around, this journey is just beginning, and the next automotive story is already warming up its engine.